LinkedIn Challengers, my name is Nick Stromwall, and I'm excited to start this journey with you as you begin to post on social media. And what I want to talk about right now with you is mindset. In order to become the person that God has designed you to be, you've got to take risks. You've got to push yourself past what you think is possible to become the person that you've been designed to become. And what that often means is right now, today, you have to choose for the next 2 weeks, for the next 10 posts, I'm going to give myself to this team, to this process, to this act of becoming that person I want to become. Listen, 3 years ago is when I basically started posting on LinkedIn for the first time, and I was scared. What will my current employer think? What will my friends think? What will my family think? What will my mom and dad think about me as I begin posting? And it's been really fun to transition to now these same people that I were afraid of, these same people that I was scared of, are coming up to me and saying, Nick, I love your content. Put it together in a book. Do something with it. I'm really encouraged by it. So as you begin this journey, just think about what are the things that I naturally love talking about? What are the things that bring me joy, bring me life? What are the things I could teach without feeling like I even need to prepare anything? Those are the things that you're going to want to write about in your journey. So keep following below this course, and we'll keep teaching and equipping you to get the most out of this challenge experience.